Hey guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an audio effect track in Ableton. So let's begin. So to start off, I'm going to go into my browser and I'm going to go into my audio effects section here, and I'm going to load multiple audio effects. So let's say, for example, I'm going to load a delay and a reverb and probably a chorus. And now the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything. You can hold shift and select together, or you can use control or command and do it. And then I'm going to group these audio effects by using the shortcut command G in Mac or control G in Windows. You can also right click and do it if you want to. And now you can see all the audio effects are combined together, and this is your A and B. If you want, you can turn it off or you can turn it on. You can also save this as a template so that you can use it for your further projects quickly, and this will basically reduce the time and workflow as well. So I'm going to save it now. I'm just going to hit the save button here, and I'm going to call this as basic. And now if I delete this, if I just go into my audio effects, and if I go into my audio effect track here, I can see this section called as basic, and you can see the same set of audio effects drop out. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. We are glad to let you know that we have moved to a new place. The link to the address is given in the description below. Do come visit us, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.